Very slow. You don't want the grease to spill out the pot. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a wonderful tasting turkey for your Thanksgiving. One that everyone's going to love. All family going to be talking about it for a long, long time. So let's jump right on to it. Here I have my garlic butter. What I bought from Sam's. I got a few seasons that I put together. What I'm going to use to season my turkey to make it real tasty. Let's go ahead and show you how we get it prepared. I would take my garlic butter, pour a little bit in my injector, make sure I got it good in the breast. Both sides of the breast. Get a little messy here. Make sure that I get both sides of the breast. Also, to make sure you get all the way through, I'm going to turn my turkey and shoot the top of the breast. Inject the top of the breast real good. Not just the bottom, the top. You can feel it when it goes through. The skin on the breast kind of bubbles a little bit. Don't worry about the garlic butter on the bowl and the cutting board. Also, I like to check my wing, both of them. I also like to inject my thighs. Ooh. Get a little messy there. It'll be all right. I like to poke around in a little bit, so making sure the garlic butter can flow through. I still have some left over. So making sure that I have enough flavor flowing through the breast, I put a little bit more in the breast. Okay, now after I finish ejecting my turkey, now I come with my seasoning, homemade seasoning. All the seasoning that I'm using, I will put it in the description box at the end of the video. Rub it in real good, real good. The more you rub it in, the tastier it will be. Make sure I got it all over the turkey, all over the turkey. Reach down in the back side, just rub it real good. Make sure you get it all over that breast when you're rubbing between the thigh and the breast. It gives you to get the season, make sure the season all down there real good. Do both sides like that. You can just like hold it, open it a little bit, and put the season down there. Make sure the season get all down. Get the thighs too, rub it real good. Just to make sure I season it all the way. Just rub it right side on the breast. Got my hand in the inside. Rub it real good. Now, I'm gonna wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator overnight. I'll fry it up tomorrow. So join me for the second step. Hey guys, about to deep fry this turkey. This turkey gonna take you 40 minutes because this turkey weighs 13 pounds, 3 minutes per pound. 13 times 3 is 39. 39 minutes, we should be through. Ease it down very slowly. Very slowly now. Very slow. You don't want the grease spill out the pot. Ooh. That baby is starting to fry. We're gonna come back, take this break, let it fry. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I'm through. Love y'all.
Yeah.
150 degrees, and for 40 minutes, this is how it should look. I set it on the side. I'm gonna let it drip for 5 minutes, drip all the oil back into the pot. Then I'm gonna take him out the basket and show you how he really looks. Ooh, might show you how he really tastes. Oh yes. I'm gonna serve me and my wife a piece of this delicious turkey and see how it tastes, and I want to get her opinion. Look at that. Get a nice taste of it. Oh my goodness, look at it. Look at that, guys. Look at that right there. Ooh-wee. It's fully cooked, flavorful. Just look at the insides. Just look at it. Fully cooked all the way through. Can't wait to get a piece of this in my mouth. Yes, it is. Look at that.
Hey, babe.
Ooh,
I heard that it was ready. The turkey is ready.
Yes, it is.
Like I brought the forks.
Waiting for you.
Okay. I brought the forks and you brought the turkey, huh?
Yes, there you go.
All right. I'm sitting down so I can kind of get me a good feel.
Oh, yes.
I know it's already delicious.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Turn that a little bit.
Thank you.
Oh,
All right. Let's see how this turkey tastes. This is the first bite, right?
first bite.
All right. We toasting.
Toasting the
Let me
turkey.
just drink.
Ooh-wee.
It's the flavors. The flavors are all throughout the turkey. I guess when you inject it with that garlic butter sauce, it went all throughout this turkey. It's juicy and very flavorful. It's really good. We don't be doing no dry turkeys over here.
Oh, no. Stick around. You see the bone?
See the bone?
Hey, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe. I'll see you next time in the kitchen.